Where are we, dear?
We're at the gathering place.
Hello, adventurers. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek
Adventures. Danny, I'm so excited about our adventure today. What are we doing?
We are going to one of the world's top-rated free city parks called the Gathering Place, and it is right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Let's go adventuring. The architecture on this building is super cool. All the different woods and bricks and stones
And glass.
and glass.
Important part here. We're getting a park map. Look at this. Yeah.
Oh, it's really cool up here.
Super cool up here. Look at all these big windows. Lots of places to sit up here. They don't call it the Gathering Place for nothing. So relaxing in here. Now that is impressive. Down the staircase.
The architecture in here is so cool.
It is. It's like a mixture of textures and colors and shapes and lines. And
Materials.
if you love to see a variety of textures and materials, you'd love to see this. Oh, Redbud Cafe. Oh, that looks so good. They got some cool merch in here.
Yeah, here's the shirt that was upstairs.
Yeah, got it.
Oh, what did you get?
I think it's a carrot cake, but it looks good either way. If it was pumpkin or carrot. Yeah, I see carrot, so it's carrot cake. I'm so excited.
We have made it to the landing. Check this out. It's got like a whole beach.
I have 4 quarters. Not sure where I got them, but I have them. All right, so there's lots of koi fish in this pond, and to feed them, you put 50 cents in here, and you turn the thingy, and the food falls down. I don't want to drop any. Okay, so I'm also gonna get some in this other one, and I'll get both of them at the same time. So 50 cents. Okay, so let's get some fish food.
It's a pretty good amount for 50 cents.
It is. I feel like I'm gonna drop it. Our friend Justin is with us today, and he brought his little doggo because you can have dogs here at the Gathering Place on Wednesdays and Sundays. So it's a good day to bring the doggo out. Okay. This makes me so happy. Feed the koi fish. I want them all to come back. Oh, there's some little ones. Oh, there's some catfish. Oh, I see some of them swimming this way.
Yeah, you brought all the catfish out. Wow.
Holy smokes! Whoa! They're going crazy.
Earlier we had 100 koi fish and now they've been replaced with catfish. All right, how would you rate your fish feeding adventure?
That was so much fun. I love doing that.
On a scale of 1 to 5.
5.
5? 5 out of 5?
Would do it again.
5 out of 5 would recommend. Look at those happy fish. Look what you did to them.
I'm a happy fish. Okay, so we mentioned Justin in our last clip, but now here's Justin. Say hello.
Hi, I'm Justin.
What is your favorite part about the gathering place?
I just love all of the wide open, beautiful space around here. You could come and just explore all day. If you have children, they're going to stop at any of the hundreds of places that there are here for kids to enjoy. And you're probably not going to see it all in the first 2 or 3 days. So you just keep coming back and you just keep finding new cool things to enjoy, whether you're walking around looking at all of it or just sitting here enjoying the beautiful view that we can see here.
I know, it's very pretty. And today is Bring Your Dog With You Day. So show Miss Kita.
This
Hey.
is Miss Kita.
Say hi, Kita. Do you have anything to say?
What's your favorite part, Kita?
She just sniffed. She likes sniffing at the gathering place. But yeah, it's fun to come here with friends. You can come here and run the trails. There's lots of pathways. We have passed a lot of people running or walking or sitting in chairs reading or just hanging out. We have people out here in kayaks, and I believe those are free to rent,
Sometimes.
borrow.
they're free.
I think today they are free on today's a Sunday, so I think on Sundays they're free. We will drop a link in the description so we can double check on that. But yeah, there's a lot to do, and I'm having fun so far. So
Yeah.
let's continue.
Let's do it.
The gathering place is currently 66.5 acres of space, and I saw that there's plans to even increase that amount of acreage. So stay tuned, because I feel like they're always adding on here.
There are areas for kids to play everywhere. And each area has its own theme. This is the Fairyland Forest. I almost said fairy tale. Got some swing sets. Oh, this is cool. It's like mountain climbing.
If you're a little kid, that's definitely fun.
Are you a little kid?
No,
Oh.
not according to that.
How are you so good at this? Oh no, I lost you. Come back. Hey.
So if you're worried about the mirror maze, there's no like walls where you can run into them like you made a wrong turn. It's kind of like you can just walk straight through. So it looks more like an art installment than an actual like mirror or glass maze. So you can't get lost in there.
Right.
Made it!
Are you the
What's
maze
this?
runner?
I did run kind of through the maze.
What is this?
I don't know. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's so fun. Who said big kids can't have
That's all
fun?
I got.
And onward. What's the next sound thing?
Oh man, I'm out of breath now.
Okay, it looks like we got this satellite looking thing all the way over there, and there's another satellite looking thing. Okay, let's see if we can hear anything.
Hello.
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 I don't know. I don't know if I can hear. I don't know if
Can you hear me? I can hear you.
Kinda. Keto, what's your favorite thing to do at the gathering place? Bark, bark, bark. I go and I sniff everything.
Danny, can you hear me?
I think so. Hello.
Hello. Hello, Moto. Hello.
Who's on this line?
Whoa, I
Hello.
can hear Justin too.
We're on the party line.
Hey, this is how three-way calling was invented.
This is how it was invented. That's probably not true. So this is where we can just play with a bunch of different instruments. Do, 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 do.
Look at that thing.
Ooh, that's nice. Oh, the other one's over here.
Does this remind you when you used to play the chimes in school?
I wish I played the chimes in school.
This
How
park's
many
make-
calories have you burned?
It's making me sweat
I know.
between this thing and the little jumpy jump chime thing and the tornadic arm.
Who knew that working out could be fun? I like the chimes thing. It was like a Dance Dance Revolution.
Yeah, let's not call it working out. Let's just say, who knew that the playground could be fun?
Right.
Everybody. That's why they built
Right.
this place.
Exactly. If you're wanting to plan a trip to the gathering place and you want to make sure you don't get lost and you haven't made it up to the big house, that's what I'm calling it, the lodge, I think is the technical term. You can download the app, which is this little green one down here. It's called Gathering Place. So I already logged into it, but you can find the map on here, and it also shows like explore the park, the map, dining options. It's all right here on this app. So you can download that for free and have it right here on your phone, so you don't have to get a paper map necessarily unless you actually want one. So that's a good tip to have when you're coming to visit the gathering place. Hear ye, hear ye. Welcome to the gathering place.
It's the skywalk area over here and this kind of zip line swing.
Oh, cool. Guys, if you have kids, any age really, this is such a fun place to come. I know if I was a kid, I would be having a blast. Oh, Sawyer's gonna do something fun.
Woo!
You dizzy?
Heck no, that was awesome. Reminds me when I was a superhero.
When you were a superhero?
Hand up. That's just a pop.
What do you think?
I wish I was a small child so that I could go in all this.
This place is so cool.
It is so cool. I've said it several times, but seriously, come to Tulsa, bring your kids to the gathering place, spend a weekend down here. You'll have a blast.
Everything about this area is just looks like so much fun.
Okay, so this leads you to the slide. So that goes up and you can see everything up there, I think. I'm putting my phone in my pocket.
Keep going. Keep going. Woo. Oh, this is fantastic.
Oh.
Trying to climb up to the very top here. This is way smaller than I am. Hey, I made it to the top. I made it to the top. I was just all the way up there. Woo! I did it. The boathouses. Got quite a few people out here today hopping in boats. That looks like a lot of fun. After you get your boat, then you go underneath the bridge.
And then you can go all the way up to where we were feeding the fish.
Down that little path. I'll have to try that out sometime too.
Yeah.
This is the Great Lawn. The Great Lawn.
If you didn't hear, Justin said that during the summertime there's a bunch of toys out here that kids can play with. I'm sure it's family friendly, assuming it's like the rest of the park, pretty family friendly. I do like all of the different trees and plants and flowers and such that they have here. It's a really pretty variety. Oh, yes, so on that note, I would like to say there's many times that I would have enjoyed taking out my actual camera, but I just have my iPhone today. So I was taking photos with my iPhone, which is really great usually, but there's something about having a real camera and taking pictures of stuff that gives it a little more grit, a little more detail. So next time we come to the gathering place, I will probably bring the camera with us.
Adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Gathering Place in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
If you enjoyed this video, we invite you to come subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Threads.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.